Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about transformation of sentences. So, transformation of sentences from first I will discuss from affirmative to negative. So, let me discuss the rules of affirmative to negative. That is, first one is by putting a negative word to the sentence and opposite of the given word. That is, we have to add a negative word and then opposite of the given word. Then the next one is negative word like no, none, not, none, neither, etc. So these are the negative words. These are the negative words and many other negative words are also there. And the next one, tense will remain the same. That is, tense will remain the same. It will remain unchanged. And then the next another one, the fourth one, meaning of the sentence will also remain the same. So let me explain with an example. See, this is an example. He is a bad boy. This is an affirmative sentence. He is a bad boy. So we have to transform it into negative. So how we will do it? He is not. That is, we have put one negative word, that not. He is not a. Now what is the opposite of bad? What is the opposite of bad? That is good. See, the opposite of the given word. What is the opposite of bad? Good. So he is not a good boy. So now the sentence has been transformed into a negative one. This is a affirmative sentence, and whenever we have put not to the sentence and then we have also not changed the meaning of the sentence by giving a opposite word to the word that has been mentioned in the affirmative sentence, so it is transformed into a negative one. He is not a good boy. See, now see the meaning of the sentence. See the question, he is a bad boy. That is, the meaning remains unchanged. We have transformed this particular sentence, that is affirmative sentence, into a negative sentence. So let me start with do another exercise. Number 1, he is he is sometimes lazy. So what will be the answer? He is, what is the opposite of sometimes? He is, we have to put one negative word. He is not, opposite of sometimes, always. He is not always lazy. So he is sometimes lazy. He is not, we have put the negative word. He is not always lazy. Now see the next one. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. See, your answer is not, what is the opposite of wrong? Correct. So see the sentence, your answer is not correct. Opposite of wrong, see the opposite of wrong is correct. Your answer is not correct means your answer is wrong. See the next one. This information is this information is true. Answer will be this information is not. What is the opposite of true? What is the opposite of true? False. We have put a negative word to the sentence. Now it has been transformed into a negative one. This information is true. This information is not false. He is rich. He is not poor. Opposite of rich, poor. The meaning remains the same. Rich, opposite of rich is poor. He is not poor. Now the next one. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. The knife is not blunt. What is the opposite of sharp? That is blunt. The knife is not blunt. So it has been transformed into negative. The knife is sharp means it is not, the knife is sharp, that is, it is not blunt. The meaning remains the same. See the next one. Only a brave can do this. Only a brave can do this. What is the opposite of only? None. We have to put one negative word. This is the negative word. None but. With none we have to put but. None but a brave can do this. Now see the next question. He tried every plan. He tried every plan. The answer will be he tried every plan. So what is the opposite of every? He tried every plan. So what will be the answer? He tried every plan. Sorry, he tried, it will not be tried. He tried every plan. He left, tried opposite of tried, left. He left no plan, opposite of no, every is no. He left no plan untried. See the next one. He always attends to his lessons. He always attends to his lessons. He always attends to his lessons. He never, opposite of always is never. He never neglects his lessons. See the question. He always attends to his lessons. He never, opposite of always, never. He never neglects, attends, then neglects. He never neglects his lessons. So this is all about transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. Next, I will start from negative to affirmative.